Part 2, Fractional Shares Explained. Let us talk more about fractional shares, because this changes everything for small investors. A single share of Amazon can cost over $100. A share of Google, even more. For years, that locked out anyone without serious money to spare. Fractional shares broke that wall down. Today, through platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Public, you can own a fraction of any major company for as little as $1. Your $10 could be spread across Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon, all at once. You are not just watching these companies grow on the news. You own a piece of them. Small, but real. And as those companies grow, your slice grows with them. Reinvest your returns, add a little more each month, and what started as $10 begins to quietly compound into something meaningful over time. Step 3, Index Funds and ETFs. Now let us talk about the smartest move most beginner investors never make, putting money into index funds and ETFs. An index fund is a basket of stocks that tracks the overall market. Instead of betting on one company, you own a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. When the market grows, and historically, over time, it always has, your investment grows with it. ETFs work similarly and can be bought and sold like regular stocks. Many have no minimum investment requirement. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors alive, has repeatedly said that for most everyday people, a low-cost index fund is the single best investment they can make. Not picking individual stocks. Not chasing trends. Just consistently putting money into the broader market and letting time do the work. $10 into an index fund today is a vote of confidence in the future economy. And history suggests that vote pays off. Step 4, build the habit first. Here is something the financial industry does not say enough. The amount you invest matters far less than the consistency. $10 a week is $520 a year. That is real money, built entirely from a habit, not a windfall. The goal in the beginning is not to get rich. The goal is to become someone who invests. To make it automatic. To remove the decision from the equation entirely. Set up automatic transfers. Even $2 a day. Link your investment app to your bank and let it pull funds on a schedule. You will not miss what you never see. Then, as your income grows, increase the amount. From 10 to 20. From 20 to 50. Each raise, each bonus, each time you cut an unnecessary expense, redirect it. The habit you build with $10 is the exact same habit that one day manages 10,000. Start small. Start now.